Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube lagging on laptop and PC. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. You can test your speed using speedtest.net. If your internet is slow, try restarting your Wi-Fi router or connect via Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. If your internet's fine but your YouTube is still lagging, your browser cache might be a problem. What you need to do is just clear the data, then restart your browser and try YouTube again. You can also do by clicking the gear icon on the YouTube player, then go to quality and choose 720p or 480p. This helps especially if your connection isn't very fast or you're multitasking on your laptop. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.